Happy to see you all again with an entire different topic. How to quit smoking. Nicotine is the major constituent in cigarettes. Now we can move into the dangerous and outcome of smoking.
Every cigarette you smoke consists of nicotine. What this nicotine does, it stimulates the sympathetic nerves. Smoking produces more stress hormones like adrenaline and thromboxane. Let's see the effects of these hormones. What happens when you smoke? The nicotine in the smoke narrows the blood vessel, leading to wrinkled skin more quickly. This is one of the reasons why nicotine or stress can make you age faster. Due to smoking, blood vessels to your heart constricts, makes the heartbeat faster and raises the blood pressure. The excess carbon dioxide in the tobacco makes less oxygen available in the bloodstream. The smoke also contains carbon monoxide, which the oxygen carrying hemoglobin picks and carries this instead of taking oxygen. This leads to chest pain and heart attack. You get a stroke. Blood vessels to your brain constricts, which leads to stroke. Reduces your senses. Nicotine clearly decreases your sense of taste, touch and smell, three of the most important senses of pleasure. Lung cancer. This is the worst outcome due to chronic smoking. Every puff causes the gases to irritate the lungs, leading to much production of mucus. Weakens the immune system. Smoking weakens the ability of your immune system to attack bacteria and viruses. Smoking and infertility. Women who smoke are 3 times more likely to be infertile than non-smokers. They reach menopause almost 2 years earlier than non-smokers. Due to smoking, the sperm count and the motility of sperms will be reduced in men. Now we can see how to quit. Quitting is not simply a matter of willpower, it's a matter of acquiring and practicing a variety of skills. Here are some recommendations. Buy a package of 5 index cards and write a reason to quit on each. Carry them with you and review them whenever you feel the urge to smoke. Avoid all stimulants like tea, coffee and other caffeine drinks. Avoid alcohol also. Avoid places or activities that encourage your smoking habit. Friend support. Ask your friend not to smoke around you. Find a friend to quit smoking with you. Call each other when you feel tempted to start smoking. Throw away your cigarettes, ashtrays and smoking paraphernalia. Read everything you can on the effects of smoking and how other people have succeeded in quitting. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps you to relax and also speeds up the removal of tobacco poisons from your body. Stop smoking group. Announce that you are quitting to your family, club, religious group and friends and ask them to encourage you. Reward yourself. Give yourself a reward or special treat each day. If possible, schedule frequent vacations or weekend trips. Help someone else. After you have been a non-smoker for at least a few months, offer to help someone else to quit. Keep your hands busy. Where to go for more help? Your doctor. Seek the advice of an qualified doctor for withdrawal symptoms of smoking. Homeopathic treatment is the best choice. There are lots of homeopathic medicine to quit smoking. Among that, these 2 medicines, tabacum and Naxomica, works well, but it should be taken only on the advice of a qualified homeopathic physician. Consider these 2. Wash out the ashtray and fill it with toothpicks or floss. Divert your mind and keep you occupied with cleaning your house, carpets, drapes, furniture and clothes. Money. Fund for something special. Put the money you would use on cigarettes into a fund for something special. Clove oil. Put a drop of clove oil on the back of your tongue whenever you feel the urge to smoke. During the first few weeks after you stop smoking, avoid social gathering where there will be drinking and smoking. Teach your children from the time they are young that smoking is harmful to their health. If you are a smoker who never had a heart attack still now, why not stop today?
The life you save may be your own.